He sews the kids together, and his teeth are green. You can't scratch an itch. Your eye can barely twitch. He's a mean old man in a sewing machine. While the parents tell the kids, don't go in the woods. There's a scary, scary man who isn't good. Little Mary didn't listen as hard as she could. Now she's sewn to the wall in a hood. She's got a brother with a hook for an arm from an accident that happened on the farm. His name is Ben. He doesn't have any friends. All the children make fun of his little Ben scratched his itch with his hook. I got an idea. I'm reading a book. He welded scissors to his hook where his hand used to be, and said, I'll search for my sister down by the brook. Ben climbed deep into the forest. All the owls started singing in a chorus. Be careful!